So I've already started pulling some off because there was water. Like, I'm gonna admit, like a week, every time I step in here, I would hear like cricking sound. Like, let me get up close so you can hear it. It's like sounds. This morning when I was about to leave for work, I noticed that there was a pool of water under these tiles. It was like continuously a lot of water. So I was like, oh, okay, there's a leak. And then I touched the bottom of this, and this bottom part right down here is soaking wet. And it's like crumbling. So I was like, okay, yeah, there's a leak. But I was like, okay, well, I'll just tear up a portion of the tiles and find out where the water's coming from. So I tore up that part, dried the floor, and I'm looking for, like, where's the water? There's no water. And then I come over here, and it's wet over here too. So I'm like, I didn't do a very good job anyways. So I think I'm gonna just tear up the whole bathroom. And if I want to, I'm gonna redo the floor, but I probably won't, because in my mind, I'm using all of this as a sign to hurry up and move into a house. Really, honestly. Say, I am in my work clothes. I just got home from work and I saw it and I was like, if I go sit down or if I stop and watch TV or anything, if I get on TikTok, it's gonna be 10 o'clock and I'm not gonna be able to do this today. And my friends are coming over tomorrow, so I need to do this today. So I'm gonna do it today. Okay, so originally I was supposed to use Saran Wrap under the tile so they wouldn't stick to the floor and it was easier to get up. If you watch this video, that's right here up in the corner, you will see that halfway through, maybe like that half over there, I used it. This half over here, I did not. I forgot halfway through because the Saran Wrap was annoying. But now it's really stuck to the floor. And I have this bleach. I don't know if bleach eats it though. Does bleach eat sticky stuff? We'll see. But now I gotta find a way to pull these up. Do I have like a paint spatula? Oh, whatever. I'm gonna continue to try to rip it up. I might get a butter knife. But this side should be easy because I did use the Saran Wrap. I think on this whole area over here. Let's see. Yeah, I did. So those aren't sticky. Yeah, these are just gonna fly off. come up fairly easy also, right? So I could have sworn I started from back here. Yeah. I guess I made up for not working out this morning. Oh, how sticky this floor is. Put on the light and see how sticky. Grimy. Well, this is how the floor originally looked. This is the side that had the Saran Wrap, so it's not, you know, drastically different. But you can see the sticky. Oh, my shoe just came off. Yeah, you can see the stickiness on this floor. So this is like a whole week later because I didn't have time. But I figured out what it was. It was the toilet that's dripping somewhere behind the wall and it's like seeping out under and then spilling out. So now this is like rotting. But yeah, I'm doing the floor because all that sticky adhesive was on there. And I went to the dollar store and got this mold and mildew stain remover. And it's good. It pulled up all the adhesive. And then I also got this so I could scrub away. And you can see I was scrubbing. But yeah, all the adhesive is up now. Yeah, you see how ugly this floor was? That's why I put that shit over it. But yeah, now I need new floor mats because the mat I had on the floor got stuck to the ground and kind of ripped up. And I gotta clean all that and the baseboards from when I was scrubbing. And, you know, figure out what's exactly leaking over here. Either it's the bidet or it's coming from the wall.